How to share folder or drive in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So we're gonna do is we'll right click on our local disk and we can see some more option in the button, and then after clicking on it we'll see get access to an advanced setting. Then we will click on advanced setting, and after clicking on it we'll again get to see advanced setting and we'll click on it again. And after clicking on it, we will tick on share the folder, and we can even change the name there if you want to. And then we'll click on permission. Then after clicking on permission we'll see full control, and we'll click on full control. And after clicking on full control we'll click on apply, and then we'll after clicking on apply then we'll click on okay, and we'll again get back to the other page. Then here we'll also click apply and then okay, and now we can click on close, and now we can get to see that there is share button there. Now yeah, that is how to share folder or drives in Windows 11 PCs or laptop.